So hey guys, I want to share with you something that is probably one of my favorite features on the all-new 2022 Acura MDX. Has to do with the second row here. Let me show you. I'm sure a lot of you know this already, but I didn't know too many features on this car before we bought it. So I want to share this with you. The awesome part about these cars is that center seat comes out, I believe, on all models. So you can make these captain's chairs, so you can have an easy access to the third row, or if you just don't need the middle seat here. So what you do, you flip it down like that, okay? You see this lever, you pull it. Once you pull it, it releases the front part on a bar. So now it's released. Okay? It's hard to do it with one hand because it is pretty heavy. But I'll show you here how it works. Okay, see this lever that you pull it again. Okay, and that'll allow the back part of it to pivot forward. Okay? It's basically 2 points. That releases it, and then this lever right here has to be pulled to release the front. Okay? So it lifts up like that, and I'll show you where it's connected. That's probably the hardest part. So you see right there? One on each side. That's when you pull the front part, what releases those from the bar. That's all you do. And then when you put it back down again, those teeth will lock onto that bar. Then you need to pull the bar again. But the first thing you should do, you have to release the seat belt as well. So let me show you. This is easy too. So I already did this, but I'll show you how to do it. I just took a screwdriver. Very basic. There's a slot right on the side here. You just put it right in there, and you see the mechanism. You just push down, and then the seat belt comes out, and it just retracts back up into the ceiling. So you have to do that just because it's connected to the seat. So once you do that, and then that seat belt actually locks in. There's a little tab where it actually locks in so it doesn't dangle like that as well. But I went in and removed it. Like I said, I can't do it with one hand. It is kind of awkward. And then here's what you're left with. Nice wide walkthrough to get to the third row. I said it is a nice feature because before you had to choose captain's chairs or bench. Now you can have it both, you know. And we might actually use it like this. If we don't really need that second row, the middle seat, take it out. And the nice part is if you guys do buy the floor mat accessory kit for the third row, the centerpiece will cover those hooks. So they won't be exposed like that. So it's kind of a necessity because you can trip on those. And the mat will kind of go over those to make it easy to get through. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, maybe you didn't know. I didn't really know about that before the salesman told us. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature. So it really gives you some versatility. Or if you need to haul something, some 2x4s or something that's really long, you can take that out and just slide it right through while still having the side seats up. So like I said, it's a lot more versatile than having to choose either captain's chairs or a bench. Kind of the best of both. But like I said, if you do that, I would definitely recommend getting that third row all-season mat kit that comes with the center piece. That'll cover not only the carpet, but also those little hooks too, so it'll protect it. So I'll put the part number in the description for the all-season third row mat kit. If you guys want to pick that up, like I said, just search at your local dealer, see what it costs. Appreciate it. Hopefully that helps you out if you didn't know that. Makes it really versatile. Hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.